This is the LG fridge freezer in platinum. As you can see, it is very impressive in size and style. When we open the fridge freezer, we see inside LED lighting and the multi-airflow system. On the inside of the door, you can see the water canister, and on the lower of the fridge, you see the vegetable drawer and the meat drawer. This is the water, nice and cold. And now, up to the top, we see the digital display which shows the temperature of the fridge and the freezer. Child lock disables any of these buttons being pressed. And down to the freezer. We have 3 ample sized drawers which glide in and out effortlessly, holding plenty of food. Thank you very much.